Hi everyone, my name is Bobby Amiri.
I'm Carmichael Caldwell.
I'm Jim Berkman.
My name is Kathy Beneman.
I'm a native of Silicon Valley, born and raised in the Palo Alto area.
Then I jumped into the technology space, founding a company called Minty.
I am a startup marketer. I've been doing startups for 15 years.
I've been in technology for about 15 years.
I've also done quite a bit of traveling and working abroad in Costa Rica, Brazil, Israel, and a host of other countries.
Which was a mentorship software, working with universities to connect alumni and current students. That's how I moved from New York to Silicon Valley.
I'm from Silicon Valley, by the way. Originally from the East Coast, but I've been in California and Silicon Valley for about 20 years.
This is my first time in Guadalajara. It's a beautiful city.
So Balero, I think, has a very interesting value proposition. When you compare it to some of the other startup hubs that are around the world, they're connected to universities, they're connected to venture capital, they're connected to government, they're connected to large organizations, enterprise companies that really make for a good ecosystem that I think is necessary to support the development of startups. So they really checked all those boxes that we felt like were necessary to then move forward, and we've had a great relationship working with the leadership team at Balero, and really excited about moving forward and seeing what's next in the development, and hopefully produce some exits that can really validate the value proposition that Balero put together as a company.
I think with all the startups, they all have a lot of momentum. At this point, it's about really digging in deeper, really kind of having a very narrow focus to scale rapidly. The really cool thing about coming from Silicon Valley here is that there's so much innovation taking place. The culture of thinking big is definitely here and has kind of been, I guess, relayed from the Valley here, and it's really cool seeing these companies thinking big about expansion here, but also potentially into the United States as well. It's really cool to see the bridge from Silicon Valley to Mexico and beyond.
So I love coming down to work with Balero. You guys have done a great job of finding some really good startup talent, and frankly, there's a ton of really great entrepreneurs down here in Mexico, and so I love what you guys are doing. Like I said, there's a lot of really talented entrepreneurs outside of California and outside of the US, and so I think coming down here is a great opportunity to see some of these really bright startup founders and what they're doing. And really they are some of the more innovative ideas I've come across.
It's been very interesting to see diversity of businesses in a single cohort at an accelerator. So sometimes accelerators will focus on a specific industry or a specific kind of technology. I really do believe in the power of global innovation and replicating the Silicon Valley around the world. And that was a very interesting time for me because I saw the rise and the scale of their Silicon Valley ecosystem. And I see it in India, I see it in China, and I think Mexico is poised very well to be a Latin American center for innovation and technology. So I'm very interested to come here, and that's why I came to see what's going on, meet these companies, and see how they're being supported.
The talent that's here in Guadalajara is amazing. So there's a lot of engineers, a lot of good designers, and so the talent is there of a Balero startup that is really taking that next step and able to really attract more attention to the emerging ecosystem. Another part of working with Balero and the startups is that we create almost this familial atmosphere where we are more than just partners, we're actually good friends.
I think Balero, it's really good that you all are taking this initiative to foster entrepreneurship in the country. I like that you guys are also leveraging and exhausting all resources that you can here, all resources you can abroad, and hopefully I look forward to this being the first of many times that I visit you all and kind of do.
I think my goals and my mission anytime I'm working with startups is to help them get to the next level. There's no reason for a founder to have to make the same mistakes that other people have made. I've been at startups that have done really well, and I've had ones that have gotten taken out by big crashes. And if another entrepreneur can learn from the challenges that I've gone through and the companies I've been with have gone through, I think that's just a great honor to be able to help shepherd the next generation of talent.
I think what I was really impressed so far with respect to the Balero program is, quite frankly, the quality of the founders. So I found all the founders to be very coachable. And I've mentored startups from all around the world, the Middle East, Asia, in the US, and it's difficult to identify coachable founders. And really, I think that you've done a good job at Balero of screening applicants in that way.
It's an exciting time to be a part of Balero and to be in the startup community at large.
Do more things with you also. I look forward to continuing to build the relationship and seeing what else happens with the companies today and also in future cohorts. So that's really exciting.
I definitely think you guys, Balero, has the opportunity to have some startups that really make it big.
I think Balero has done an excellent job of making sure that you have good people in the program.